This is going to be a tutorial about pugs, and remember, pugs are the graphics that we find in the corners of magazine front covers. Puffs, this is a puff, and I'm going to put a pug down here in the corner. I'll show you how to do that. In fact, no, I'm not going to put it down there because I've got plans for that corner. I'm going to put it up here in this corner. So let's just zoom in to the top corner up here, and I'm going to do one which is going to go over the top of the masthead. Actually, I'm going to try that. So the way that I do that is this is why it's useful to have a grid. I can go to my pen tool this time, and I'm going to start here, and I'm going to hold down the shift because I want this to be a perfect 45-degree angle, and I'm going to click on the edge. Then I'm going to come up to this corner, and then I'm going to complete that shape by coming back to the starting point, click there. And this shape I want to be, I think yellow. So I'm going to go to the fill and choose yellow like that. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, that kind of works. So now I've got this this shape that I've drawn, which I could move around if I wanted to, Command and Z to undo. And I want some text that is inside this box but angled to the 45 degrees. So I'm going to use, I think, artistic text for this. And I'm just going to click once, make the text a lot smaller. Oops. I'm going to do it somewhere where I'm not going to interfere with text that's already there. So let's make it, I guess, about 18 points. And this is going to be a special offer. And I'm going to say free high street vouchers. So I've got some text, and I'll bring it up here. And I'm going to rotate it, holding down Shift. And I'm going to center the text. Maybe bring the size down a little bit, and I'm going to make this text pink. So I'm going to use the color dropper, come up to the pink here, like that. Make sure it fits inside. You'll have to kind of play with it a little bit. Until it kind of fits in nicely. That kind of works, doesn't it? Free high street vouchers. Have a look at the whole thing. Yeah, that seems to work. Okay, so now I've got my pug, and the next thing I'm going to show you is how to add a secondary image. See you in the next tutorial.